What's up, guys? So I'm here at the Tates Creek Police Station ledges, and I'm going to be talking about black ice boards. So this is a board from Plan B that's got a hard plastic coating under the graphic that allows it to slide better. You can kind of see it's just like one of the layers of maple. It wears down about the same, but instead of one layer of maple, it's just a hard plastic coating that goes over the wood and under the graphic. And when you wear through the graphic, you can see this shiny black plastic. So from my experience riding this board, it definitely slides better. It feels like you've got wax on your board all the time. On slick painted ledges like this that have already been waxed and are skated all the time, this board slides really well. But on rough street ledges, it's not a miracle worker. So you're still gonna have to wax unpainted, unwaxed ledges. It's not gonna allow you to slide on those, but it is gonna make your slides last longer on a slick ledge like this or a skate park ledge. So I'm gonna play some clips of my friend Jesus talking about the black ice boards. He skated several of these. This is the only one that I've actually skated. And for me, I didn't break it. It felt strong. I felt confident with this board, but I'm not somebody that breaks a lot of boards.
Yeah. It's black and it's like ice. It's so slick, man, I swear. You jump on a rail that's like, you know, or let's say like a unwaxed ledge, right? You jump on it, and as soon as you're on it, it's like it's waxed. You know, it's crazy. It's pretty crazy. It is crazy.
All right, let's see you do some grinds then.
You know what? Look, I got phones in my hand. Off the bat right here. Around the park. Do what? No, it was like not even a month, dude.
I gotta go in my house and everything. I can too. I don't know.
Broke my heart.
As far as the pop goes, I didn't notice anything different about this board compared to a regular board. It's not like carbon fiber or anything. It doesn't give you a spring-loaded pop. I think the main thing about this board is that it makes you slide better for nose slides, board slides, and tail slides. Anything else, it feels just like a regular board. I've had people say that they didn't last as long or that they lasted longer, but from my experience, I couldn't say that I believe either of those things. It feels just like a regular maple board, it just slides a lot better. Now, as far as board slides go, it feels like you have rails on your board. It slides really smooth. There are benefits to having rails on the bottom of your board, and there are also benefits to having a slick board that doesn't have rails. So if you have rails on your board, you don't have to worry about the board rocking back and forth on the rail. It keeps you pretty stable when you're doing a board slide. You don't have to worry about leaning too far forward and the board pinching and stopping. With this board, that definitely happens. But if you have a board that doesn't have rails on the bottom, it's easier to manipulate the board while it's still on the rail. And when I say that, I mean you can kind of pop up into a Smith or pop off of the rail easier without having to grab the board or anything like that. It's because you can kind of rock on the rail and use the momentum of rocking on the rail to help pop the board up into a 50-50 or into a Smith grind. If you're doing really technical stuff like that, this board would probably be great for you. If you're doing really technical rail or ledge tricks and you're very comfortable sliding fast, I would definitely suggest this board. If you're not comfortable grinding and sliding really fast, then you might want to get a regular board because you may slip out on this. If you get onto a ledge, you're gonna slide really fast with this board. It's gonna feel like a waxed ledge. So you have to think about that when you're considering if you wanna buy this board or not. So this particular Plan B board was a little bit too short for me. The wheelbase is too small. So I like a longer board. I'm a taller guy and I like to have a little bit bigger board. It's 8.5, but it's just a little bit too short for me. So I couldn't do a lot of flip tricks on it. And it wasn't really because of the board or the pop or anything like that. It was just because the wheelbase was a little bit short and the turning felt a little bit off for me personally. So that's a black ice board. If you want a board that slides a little bit better than a normal board, I would definitely suggest checking it out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and just videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, then hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.